We do apologize for any inconvenience caused to your kind understanding is very much appreciated.
Pesawat KUL-LGK ke Singapura dibuka semua penumpang bersilakan.
Taxiing back to our bay and we'll advise again on our next course of action. We do apologize for any inconvenience caused. Your kind understanding is very much appreciated. Thank you. Proceed to our aircraft. Once they are here, they will be starting their troubleshooting, and we'll get back to you with more info from them. Thank you. From the flight deck, latest information from our engineering department, they currently require a troubleshooting time of approximately 20 minutes from now. Once again, we do apologize for any inconvenience caused. Your understanding is very much appreciated. Thank you. Procedure has been carried out, and the aircraft is safe for us to start our journey to Langkawi. Once again we thank you for your kind cooperation. For information, our flight time to Langkawi right now will still remain at 45 minutes from takeoff time. Until aircraft comes to complete stop. Thank you.
Okay.